Hi, my name is Bria Butler and I am in the German Fluency Academy. I live in Washington, D.C. in the United States of America, and I have been here my whole life. The reason why I'm learning German is because my partner is from Germany and his family is from Germany, and I want to be able to speak the language and speak to his family, as well as knowing that we will live in Germany one day. It is really important for me to learn the language. A lot of the challenges that I faced during this time is that using multiple different language apps wasn't really helping me in learning the language. I was still struggling to have conversations and memorize many things, even after many years of using the apps. So when I came across the German Fluency Academy, I was looking for a different way of teaching and a different way of understanding the language. Learning new words and pronunciation was also a struggle for me, and that was really something that I was looking for when I was trying to find ways to keep learning the language. As of a few months ago, I recently traveled to Germany to visit my partner's family, and this was the third time that I traveled to Germany. And this time, knowing that I had gained a lot of skills in the language over the last year with the German Fluency Academy, I was able to understand a lot better the conversations with my partner's family. I was also able to put words together and understand the topics of the conversation. And I was able to interact with many of his friends and family, and that was really a great moment, and I was really proud of it, and I owe a lot of that to the German Fluency Academy. The one thing that I would say where I recognize the most is, even though I didn't know every single word that my partner's family was saying, I was able to pick out the words that I did know and understand the topics, and that was an aha moment for me. After I was able to apply my German knowledge and get positive feedback from my partner's family, they were really proud of me. It kept me motivated, and now I really enjoy learning the language because I know how to pick out different words that I know, and I know that I've improved, and my recent trip to Germany proved just that. Overcoming the fear of making mistakes and just doing it was something that came in time. Knowing that I wasn't going to be judged by my partner's family and that they were able to help me when I was in Germany really helped as well. And over time, I realized that I gained a lot more confidence the more that I practiced, the more that I spoke it, the more that I heard the language. So my biggest advice is just to be patient and kind with yourself, because it does take a lot of time, but I know just based off of experience that it does get better. Someone who wants to relocate to Germany and says, oh, I'll start when I move to Germany, my biggest advice is to do it now, because it's never too early to start. And the more proactive that you are, the better you'll feel in Germany, the better you will be able to go through everyday life. So that would be my biggest advice, is to start now. Learning German in general improved my life and got a closer relationship with my partner's family. And this was my goal from the beginning, and I'm looking forward to continuing to improve my German language skills so I can eventually be able to have a full-on conversation with them. And I'm happy to say that today I'm able to have conversations, even though it's maybe not as complex. It's very basic, but it is a big improvement from the prior years. Any tips that I have, especially for someone who is living outside of Germany, I would say, one, to be patient with yourself, and two, just what I said earlier, that it really doesn't matter if you understand every single word from Germany, from the German language, but over time you'll be able to understand it little by little, and it'll compound into understanding fully. So that would be my biggest advice. And overall, the German Fluency Academy has been wonderful. I really enjoy Salome's teachings. I think that her ability to be able to explain different usages of the German language is really beneficial, and I would recommend it to anyone. And I'm very, very grateful for the Academy and look forward to learning more and becoming fluent one day. So thank you, and have a great day.